I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by removing obvious composites. If n is even or ends in 5, it's composite. If digits sum divisible by 3, stop. Next, compute the integer square root of n. This bounds your checks. Once done, list primes up to that root. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Make sure to trial divide n by each of these primes. This first pass catches most cases quickly and sets you up for more advanced tests without wasting time. After trial division, if n remains unresolved and is large, use probabilistic tests. Run Fermat with several bases, but prefer Miller-Aben for stronger reliability. You should perform multiple rounds, 3 to 5 rounds cut error to negligible levels, vary the bases. For cryptographic or legal needs, switch to deterministic algorithms or certified libraries. Once you run Miller-Aben and it returns composite, stop. If it returns probable prime, proceed to deterministic verification when absolute certainty is required. To finish, obtain a definitive result. Use AKS or a certified deterministic Miller-Aben set for your number range, which proves primality without doubt. If tests conflict, increase probabilistic rounds and rerun trial division. Make sure your implementation isn't truncating values. One key troubleshooting tip: if results seem inconsistent, verify integer arithmetic, overflow, and that you computed sqrt, n, correctly. These common mistakes cause false conclusions. Once confirmed, report prime or composite with the method used.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.